guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing and joining in. I had a lot of new subscribers from the Pattern Beauty video, and I'm sorry that I haven't had a video since then. But yeah, welcome. And this is the shortest my hair has ever been in my life. If you're old here, yes, I did cut my hair again. So let's talk about it. So yeah, guys, this is big chop number 2. I'm not gonna get into so much like emotional like backstory versus like my other video when I first cut my hair in June, because originally this is what I wanted. Back in June, I was just kind of scared to do it back then, but I did grow some balls basically, and I did cut my hair. So yeah, I did cut my hair off a couple weeks ago. I'll insert some pictures of what it looked like when I first cut it at the salon. This is a couple weeks in, maybe like a week and a half or something like that. Beginning of December is when I got it cut. It's basically a short pixie cut, I guess you would call it. Right now I have some finger coils in. I did them yesterday, so this is day 2. I'll insert some video clips of what it looked like yesterday. But this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. I absolutely love it. This is very like, I keep looking at myself in the monitor, so I need to make eye contact with y'all. But yeah, this is the shortest my hair has ever been in my life. I remember in high school when Rihanna like kind of like just came out, and she had that short like asymmetrical pixie cut. Her hair was black, and then she started dyeing it. I was in love with that, and I always kind of wanted to cut my hair like that even when I had relaxer. So I kind of finally fulfilled that now in my 20s with cutting my hair like this, and like I love it. It's so like easy to do and things like that. And like I said, there's not a lot of emotional backstory to it. I originally kind of wanted a really short tapered cut when I first cut my hair in June, but I kind of chickened out. I was scared, so I went with the more asymmetrical thing that we did, which it was cute. It was cute, but I wasn't like totally feeling it. So I kind of waited a couple months. And then I was in a wedding in October, and I was like, okay, after the wedding, I'm going to cut my hair off because, you know, we were doing a ponytail style. And I needed my hair to be, you know, a certain length. So I was like, after the wedding, I'm cutting it off. And that's basically what I did. I just cut it because I was like, you know what? It grows back. It doesn't, like, it is what it is. So, you know, this is where we're at right now. Short hair, don't care. I think I picked a bad time to kind of have short hair because it's winter. And so like my head, like my ears and the back of my neck are always cold. And yeah, I love it. I did finger coils, which I think I did once on my channel with my long hair, and I was like, never again will I do this. But with short hair, it's definitely a little bit easier. I can see this lasting me a little bit longer. And the stylist did kind of do finger coil-ish type of things on my hair when I got it done. So I figured I would kind of try to emulate what she did, and I think I did a pretty good job. I will say, basically like the only con that I have right now with having my hair this short is the fact that as far as you know, retaining my style throughout the week, it is pretty hard because, you know, if you've seen in my like day to night refresh how I sleep with my hair video, I kind of just used to sleep with my big fro, you know, either put it in a pineapple or literally just go to sleep on my pillowcase and just shake it out in the morning. And I wouldn't really have too much, you know, to deal with as far as flatness or frizziness and things like that. Obviously there was a little bit here and there, but it wasn't like a huge deal. I literally could just shake and go, spray with water and go. But with my hair this short now, I tried my best, even though back then I still did sleep on my arms because I didn't want to mess up my hair. But now with this hair, I literally like try not to sleep on the pillow. Basically, like I'm sleeping on my arms like this, which is uncomfortable as hell. But I'm trying to maintain this style. So last night I did end up, obviously you're sleeping, you can't control it. I slept on this side, and this side got all smushed. So You'll see the video of what it looked like yesterday, but I had to redo this side. Not really redo, just like spray it with water and pick out the coils and, you know, just bring them back because it was squished. So I had to basically, like, you know, bring them back out so they would stick out and, you know, not look squished. So I kind of have to kind of do my hair every day type of thing. I mean, depending if I'm going out, and I don't really care what I look like. But so that's really the only con that I have about the hair, this style of hair, is that, you know, it is a lot more maintenance than if you have bigger, longer hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to deal with that for a little bit. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this cut. I don't know if I'm just gonna let it grow it out from here. I really don't know, but I'm excited to be on this new natural hair journey. Let me know what you guys think. I will put the contact info of the stylist that I went to down below. If you guys have any questions, if you guys wanna see how I did this, even though there are so many finger coil tutorials on YouTube, but if you would like to see how I did it, please let me know, and I will work on getting that to you. But yeah, I feel so cute. I don't know, like, I'm so cute right now. I've been doing like those like slick back, like I did it for Thanksgiving and a couple days ago for Christmas parties I went to, like slick down and type of thing, which is really hard to do. But I think I'm getting better at it. And if you want to see a video of me doing that too, let me know and I'll show y'all. So yeah, I don't have much else to say. I'm trying to get some videos out before the end of the year. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like my new look, and I hope you're excited for me. Let me know any ideas or video requests you have, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.